Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Got a beautiful home in Macon, Georgia today. Going to be taking down the old picket style railings and installing some new Chippendale railings. Some really nice landscaping to look out for. It's a fairly new home, but had some issues with the pickets. I'm not sure if they weren't treated or just poor lumber quality, but in any case, I'm going to get these put back together correctly. This is an example of what the finished product is going to look like. Very classic style railing. So we can get all these pulled out, get our new assembly put in place. Top and bottom, we're going to put some blocking in here to keep the birds out. And this house will be looking sharp again. As always, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Have a great day. And if we can help you with your custom carpentry needs, please give us a call. 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching.